What's up? Fresh is our turn, baby.
All right, my first car review, the Fiat 500. I love this little machine.
Them Gucci suits ain't got no job, but I stay shy.
Going for a little spin in the Taco Bell / Toys R Us parking lot.
That's okay, cause I'm still fly. I'm so fly. Get your car clean, gems on shine. And shit, mom, get a big baby girl, let's ride. You the #1 star.
Not the worst.
Go straight to the mall and tear down the inside. That Prada, Gucci, full link leather, Gucci sweater, 20 inches pop my feather. The Birdman dead, I fly anywhere. The alligator seats with the head and the inside. Flying on the dash, G-Wagon, so fly.
I've been watching these for years. They're tiny, but inside it does not feel tiny. I feel like you're really high up, which is cool. The car is incredibly fun to drive. 6-speed manual transmission, which I love. My only complaint is it doesn't have a lot of pep going up the hills, but it's a manual shift. The shifting is fun. It's got a cool interior.
Gucci with the matching interior.
Cool dashboard. The kids complained a little bit about the space in the back, but they seem to have settled in and be fine. Not the worst. Love it. Now go share your thoughts.
That's all right.
Turning radius is great as you may imagine.